Every year, over 14 lakh students get admitted into various engineering colleges across the country. And all of these students come with the desire to find a seat at the best institution. Does every engineering aspirant land in a better institution? The answer is here. Welcome to College Suggest. And in this video, we'll take you through the top 5 features to look for before joining an engineering college. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications on your favorite college details, college comparisons, courses, careers, and so much more. Finding the best college for yourself is a must for any student, as it is the first step you take towards shaping your career. Hence, be extra careful while choosing a college. As we saw earlier, every year over 14 lakh students join various engineering programs. So what are the things that you must look for before choosing a college? Graduation and placements. Graduation and placements are the first factors to look at before joining any institution. Institutions often advertise that they have 100% placements, leaving no data about their graduation percentages. If an institution has graduated only 50% of its students and has a placement percentage of 100%, it is not the right place to join. So always choose a college with better graduation as well as better placement percentages. Cross-verify with reliable data like the NIRF for knowing the exact graduation and placement information. Some of the graduation and placement stats to be considered are: check for the accurate graduation and placement information before making a decision. Don't blindly trust the stats boasted of by the institution itself. Cross-verify the same. If possible, try getting in touch with the institution's alumni and gather more data. Placement records and median salary. The next thing to look for is the complete placement records and the median salary offered to place students. Just as we discussed earlier, instead of going with random placement stats, know the complete list of companies that recruit students from a particular college. This will help you in understanding what type of companies you can expect for the placements and the chances for you to land a better job. If you want yourself to be placed with tech giants like Google, Facebook, Amazon, or any of the other companies in the same league, target institutions from where these companies hire students at large. This will make things a whole lot easier. Similarly, if you're looking for employment opportunities in core companies, filter out institutions that invite core companies for placements. Usually, students get deceived by seeing the big salary packages mentioned in college ads. Please be aware that not every student in a particular institution will get that particular salary mentioned by the institution. So check the median salary offered to the placed students, which will give you an outline of the kind of salary you can expect from a particular college. When you're in the right college and work hard on achieving your dreams, you can obviously be one among the thousands to get placed with a very big salary package. The reason why it's necessary to look for the salary package offered is you invest so much time on your education that it would only be fruitful for you to be able to gain back what you've invested. We all know that knowledge is power, and the power one acquires must be used effectively. Hence, it is a must to be able to earn back whatever you have invested. If you have studied through an educational loan, then it is that much more important for you to earn back the amount and repay the loan on time. While looking at the graduation and placement records of a particular institution, always compare its performance across 3 or 4 years and analyze its performance across these years. Make sure that the college you choose is consistent in both graduation and placements. Diversity. Diversity is also a major factor to look for while choosing an engineering college. College could be the first place you get when you have the opportunity to have a real interaction with people from diverse groups. Hence, look for colleges which are diverse in nature. First of all, being in a diverse environment will eventually improve your communication skills and also help in interacting confidently. Usually, engineers get placed in MNCs where there will be people from different cultural backgrounds. Being exposed to a diverse group of people right from your college days will significantly help you in getting along with colleagues when you are in a corporate environment. Also, a healthy interaction with different people will highly increase your knowledge base and help you in understanding things from their point of view. So while looking for your dream college, check out how diverse the college is, and this will have a huge impact on your post-college life. Fee structure. The next important thing to look for before joining any institution is its fee structure. A few years ago, the institutions were offering only the common engineering streams. But with the advancement in technology, there is a great demand for engineers in various specializations. To meet these needs, institutions started to offer various specializations along with regular engineering programs. This leads to a rapid increase in fees each year. This has to be kept in mind while looking for an engineering college. Make sure you pay the right price for the quality of education you acquire. Some of the best practices to be considered while looking out for fee structure are: check if the institution is transparent with its fee structure and there are no hidden additional charges. Do not pay money to any mediators. Directly approach the institution for admissions. Check for the eligibility to receive educational loans if you are planning to apply for any. Always keep in mind that paying more does not mean that you get a better education, except of course for a few institutions. There are also colleges that offer quality education with a nominal fee. Check for the fee structure of various institutions and decide accordingly. Approved intake. A few colleges intake a huge number of students, while other colleges take minimal students. Usually top institutions like the IITs and the NITs have limited seats. This also has to be checked before joining any institution. This will give you a probability idea of getting a seat in a particular college. Make sure that the institution maintains a good faculty to student ratio. If there is a large intake, analyze whether the institution has enough faculty members to support the needs of its students. Other than the above-mentioned factors, you can also consider the location of the institution, different areas where the institution invests, how frequently seminars and workshops are conducted, and hostel facilities. So these are all the factors one must consider while looking to join an institution. Apart from all of these, personal preferences might change from one person to another. So choose your institution wisely to excel in your future. To make your college search simple, we have listed over 100 institutions and have ranked them under various parameters. This will give you an idea of all the top colleges that match your personal preference. The link to this will be added in the description below. What other interesting topics would you like to see? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit collegesuggest.com.